Let's dive into the world of nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, thing, or idea. It's a fundamental part of language, and we use nouns to identify and communicate about the world around us. Types of nouns. There are several types of nouns, including 1. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of specific people, places, or organizations. They always start with a capital letter, comma, examples, John, person, New York, place, Google, organization. 2. Common nouns. Common nouns are general terms that can refer to any member of a category. They don't start with a capital letter unless they're at the beginning of a sentence, comma, examples, dog, animal, city, place, company, organization. 3. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to groups of people, animals, or things, comma, examples, family, group of people, herd, group of animals, team, group of people. For abstract nouns refer to intangible concepts or ideas, comma, examples, happiness, emotion, freedom, concept, love, emotion. 5. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refer to tangible objects or substances, comma, examples, book, object, water, substance, chair, object. 1. Singular nouns. Singular nouns refer to one person, place, thing, or idea, comma, examples, cat, city, book. 2. Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, place, thing, or idea, comma, examples, cats, cities, books. 3. Possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership or relationship, comma, examples, John's car, John owns the car, the city's population, the city has a population. 1. Subject. The subject is the noun that performs the action described by the verb, example, the dog, subject, is barking. 2. Object. The object is the noun that receives the action described by the verb, example, I threw the ball, object. 3. Complement. The complement is the noun that completes the meaning of a linking verb, example, she is a doctor, complement. 1. Identify the type of noun in each sentence, comma, the sun is shining, common noun, I'm going to New York, proper noun, the team is playing well, collective noun. I hope this helps you understand nouns better.